This is a short tutorial on how to initialize or create a Git repository. I'm in my project directory already. We can see the files. There's just one, a README. First, I would like to check to see if there is a Git repository. Git status will tell me that, and it tells me that it's not a repository on the fatal error there. So in order to create one, we call git init. Init is short for initialize. And now it tells me there's one. If I view all the files, including the hidden files, you can see the Git repository right there. That's another way in order to check if there is a repository in your branch. Also, you can see my prompt tells me what branch I'm on, and that will let me know as well. So the next thing we need to do, most likely, is to create our first commit. So to do that, I called git add dot. Dot is short for this directory, and it will recursively add all of the files underneath this directory. In this case, it's just the one file. Now with git status, I can see the changes to be committed, and the README file is there. So now I'm free to call git commit. A is optional. I'm going to forego it here. It means all files. It's basically a shortcut after we've initially added it. And then in the quotes, I can put my message. So I do git commit -m. M is short for message. And I'm going to just say add readme file. I prefer to start my commit messages with a present tense verb. I do most everything in lowercase, but I do end in a period. These are just my conventions. It's best to follow the conventions of your project. And there we go. We can see that we've created our first commit, and we can see that with git log, and that will show us our first commit as well.